Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Chatbase. This integration allows you to embed a custom chatbot directly into your Squarespace website, giving your visitors instant support and interaction capabilities. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to chatbase.co. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account if you manage multiple chat bases for different projects or clients. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, you need to go to your agent. This is the specific chatbot or AI assistant you want to embed on your Squarespace site. If you have multiple agents, select the one you intend to use for this particular integration. Once you're viewing your agent, look over to the left side menu. Here, you'll find several options for managing your chatbot. Click on Deploy. This section contains all the tools and methods for implementing your chatbot across various platforms and websites. Within the Deploy section, you'll see different deployment options. Find the one labeled Chat Widget and click on Manage next to it. This option specifically deals with embedding your chatbot as a widget on websites, which is exactly what we need for Squarespace. Now you'll be taken to the Chat Widget Management area. Look for the Embed tab or option and click on it. This will display the embed code that Squarespace needs to recognize and display your chatbot. Go ahead and copy the script that appears. This code is what creates the connection between your Chatbase agent and your Squarespace website. With the script copied, it's time to switch over to Squarespace. Open your Squarespace dashboard in another tab or window. On the left side menu, locate and click on Custom Code. This is where Squarespace allows you to add custom scripts and tracking codes to your site. Under the Custom Code section, you'll see an option called Code Injection. Click on this. The Code Injection area lets you add code to specific parts of your website, either in the header or footer sections, which control where and when the code loads on your pages. You'll see different fields here, but what you're looking for is the footer field. Paste the chat-based script you copied earlier into this footer field. Placing the code in the footer ensures your chatbot loads after your main content, which helps maintain your site's performance and loading speed. Once you've pasted the code, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your chat-based chatbot is now connected to your Squarespace website and should appear on your live pages, ready to interact with your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.